Hi and welcome to my official first video from 911 Minor Mechanics. I today have been working on stud removal from the exhaust ports following the removal of the headers. I took quite a lot of footage showing various points of interest. I've been editing it for very badly, I might add, but I've been editing it for about the last hour and tried to save the finished product, only to be told that I didn't have enough memory space and to free some up. So I saved the draft and, well, I deleted all the video footage. So when I come to try and save the draft, it wouldn't let me do that because the original footage had gone. What a plonker. Anyway, I won't do that again. Fortunately, I didn't delete it all. I still have some. And obviously, most of what we've lost in terms of video was about the walk round and a few bits and pieces that are underway on the car, and pointing out some issues with the exhaust removal. Now, I do believe I got up to as far as the mufflers are removed, and I am about to remove the catalytic converters from the back. So both sides mufflers are off. The cats have got to come down. All you need to do prior to that is disconnect your O2 sensors. There are 4 of them. That might be briefly covered in some video footage which will follow in part 2. We're going to call this one part 1. I have no idea what I'm doing apart from with the car. So I do apologise for that. We're going to call this video part 1, as I've said, in terms of the exhaust stud removal. Part 2 will kick off with basically equipment that we're going to use and methods, etc., and I won't do that again. There may be a part 3, I don't know. All right, I'm still learning in terms of the video side of things. So once again, 1,000 apologies that I lost the footage. I am gutted because it was a pain in the arse recording that upside down today, but still, you'll see the rest of it. And thanks for watching. Hope you enjoy it and you gain something out of it. Give us a like or a dislike or some comments, whatever. Always interested to learn and find